my name is Anvi. Today we're doing a telephone. Hello, what are you doing? Activity. We need 2 cups for it and some thread. Some big thread or small. You need like any sticks. You need to make holes in a paper cup like this. And you can take a big thread or a small thread. Any thread you want. Like colors or one color thread. Now try to pull the thread inside the hole. Now I put it in. Now I pulled the thread inside the cup. Tie one end from the stick. I tied one end to the stick. Can you see how I tied it with the stick? Now put the other end from the back side of the cup. So you see how I put it? I'm tying another stick on this end. Did you see how I pulled it? Stop. See how I tied it? See? Now your telephone is ready. Let's see. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? Good? Okay. Bye-bye. Try to talk with anyone and see if you can hear this. This is not a real telephone. Hope you like this telephone. Thanks for watching.